We're students from Wentzville Middle School,
and we're trying to improve wildlife habitat in Heartland Park.
We're asking for your approval to plant roughly 25 small containers in each of the 2 rain gardens. We wouldn't like to use seeds because it can take 3 years for a seeding planting to begin to look good.
so we're just asking for your approval on allowing us to plant these plants and hopefully benefit the wildlife in Heartland Park. The students are going to plant the plants. The rain will water them in, and we are going to monitor and take notes.
Thank you for your consideration.